What happened to the hair, Hasmil? That's probably the question you might have in mind. Nothing. I just wanted to get rid of the hair. Oh wait, I'm turning the lights. All right, cool. Nothing. Nothing really happened. I just wanted to get rid of the hair. And if you also noticed, half of the setup is gone, and this is a new beginning, new start. So I had to win with a fresh cut. It is currently 7:03 p.m. and I'm still packing. I haven't even shopped yet. That'll be tomorrow. So join me as I pack and as I give you guys tips and recommendation for college computer. But anyway, I have to go now because it's 7 and I have to go rest and continue packing tomorrow. I mean packing. I mean putting this stuff away. So I have to go now, and nothing really happened. I just wanted to get rid of this hair, start something new, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the continuation of this video as I pack and as I give you guys computer recommendation. Thanks for watching. See you guys in more and more tech videos to come. And this stuttering is something that I'm working on as I can help it. As time goes on, hopefully I will improve and it'll slowly morph away. But anyway, thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Cheerio.